Hi, I'm Ritu, and just recently I visited Arunachal Pradesh for a 5 day trip. And my experience, it was amazing. Saw beautiful mountains everywhere while traveling on a two-wheeler, got lost in the beauty around us, also tried some local foods, had a cozy bonfire night at our homestay, and even chilled by the riverside with friends. But the highlight of this trip was this beautiful waterfall. So this beauty is Nuranang Waterfall located in Jang, Arunachal Pradesh.